System errors causing the Qt5Help.dll crashes in Qt Framework. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. As we prepare to resolve Qt5Help, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Qt5Help, the Qt5Help library. It provides the unmanaged engine for integrating and displaying localized help documentation manifests within applications utilizing the Qt data link. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. It's important to note that Qt5Help DLL is installed as part of Qt Framework and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of Qt Framework from the official source will restore the correct version of Qt5Help to your PC. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Qt5Help file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Qt5Help DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. Thank you for trusting us with Qt5Help Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.